Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore safe margins for YouTube and Premiere Pro step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and load your project. Select the sequence you want to work on from the timeline. Go to the sequence menu at the top of the screen. Choose sequence settings from the drop-down. In the sequence settings window, locate the frame size section. Take note of the current width and height of your sequence. Calculate the safe margins based on your desired output resolution. For standard HD, the safe area is typically around 90% of the frame size. To visualize these margins, create a new transparent video. Go to the project panel and click on the new item icon. Select Transparent Video from the drop-down menu. In the dialog box, make sure the dimensions match your sequence settings. Click OK to create a new transparent video layer. Drag the transparent video onto a new layer in your timeline. Select the transparent video layer, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Locate the scale property and adjust it to create your outer safe margin. A common practice is to set the scale to 95% for a general safe area. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Position property. Adjust the position of your transparent video layer if necessary. Next, create a second transparent video for the inner margin. Repeat the process of creating another transparent video item. Adjust the scale of this new layer to approximately 90% for inner safe margins. Position this layer in the same manner as the first. You should now see both safe margin areas clearly outlined. To finalize, lock the transparent video layers in the timeline. This will prevent accidental adjustments while you edit. Your safe margins are now set, ready for use in your editing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.